read some pages from a book called Amazing Mammals, and while I read, I want you to be thinking about all the text features that you see on each page. So Amazing Mammals. So right away, I just opened up the first page of my book and I see a text feature already. Did you see it too? That's right, it's a table of contents. So remember that the table of contents tells us and shows us all the different things that we're going to be learning about in this book. And it also tells us what page number we can find that information on. So if I wanted to learn about orcas, what page could I find information about orcas on? Page 20. That's right. Wow, there are a lot of text features on this page that I can see right away. Do you see them too? I'm going to read this page, and when I'm all done reading, then we'll talk about all the different text features that are on these two pages. Mammal habitats. A habitat is a place where a plant or an animal lives. Mammals live in hot desert habitats and cold, icy habitats, such as the Arctic. The ocean is a habitat. Mammals such as whales and seals live there. Mammals can be found in every habitat around the world. Here is a caption. Did you notice this caption right here that describes this photograph? Polar bears are mammals that live in the icy, snowy Arctic. And here is a map which kind of looks similar to the map that we were working on in science. It's a habitat map, and here is a map key where it tells all the different habitats and where they are located on the world map. So let's see. If we look here at all the purple spots on the map, that means the habitat is a tundra, which if we remember from science, those are cold, windy places. And they're up here in the north and also over here on top of North America. If we want to see deserts, it's all the orange spots on the map. So in Australia, there's a desert, in Asia, in Africa, in North America, and also in South America. That's where you will find deserts. Rainforests are warm, wet habitats with many trees and plants. Mammals such as monkeys, gorillas, and sloths live there. Grasslands are hot, dry habitats. Mammals such as rhinos, elephants, giraffes, and meerkats live on the grasslands in Africa. Here is a photograph, which is a text feature, and then look, there's a caption which describes the photograph. Sloths hang upside down from branches. The baby rides on its mother's chest. Amazing mammal fact. The rhinoceros gets its name from its horn. In Greek, rhino means nose and ceros means horn. Here's another photograph down here, which is a text feature and a caption to describe the photograph again. A rhinoceros calf feeds on milk from its mother. Did you see any other text features on these two pages that I haven't said yet? Well, we had captions, we had photographs. I also see a heading, mammal habitats, that's a heading, and I also see bold print. So when letters stand out like that, when they're a little bit thicker and darker, that is called bold print. Plant-eating mammals. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. They eat leaves, roots, fruit, or flowers. Some herbivores have developed special ways to help them eat the food they need. Hippos live in Africa. During the day, they keep cool in rivers. They come out of the river at sunset to eat grass during the night. Amazing mammal fact. Hippos use their wide lips to grab grass. Then they swing their heads from side to side to pull up the grass by the roots. Here is a photograph up here of a koala, which is a text feature. And there is a caption, which is describing what's happening in the picture. It says, every koala lives in its own home tree. Koalas eat only one type of food, the leaves of the eucalyptus tree. These trees grow in Australia, where koalas live. Koalas spend their time eating and sleeping in eucalyptus trees. Warthogs use their strong snouts to dig up the hard ground and find tasty underground roots. Warthogs live on African grasslands. Did you see any text features on this page? That's right, there's a heading over here, plant-eating mammals. There's also some more bold print, just like on the other page. And there are a lot of captions on this page too. And there are also some photographs. As I read these next 2 pages, try to find some text features that we haven't found before on the other pages. Okay, what is a life cycle? A life cycle is the different stages that an animal or a plant goes through in its life. This diagram shows the usual life cycle of a mammal. So here's the diagram, and it says the life cycle of a lion, which is a mammal. 1. Female mammals give birth to live babies. 2. Female mammals feed their babies milk. 3. The mothers care for their babies. Sometimes the fathers help too. 4. Mammals teach their babies how to find food. Young carnivores practice their hunting skills on each other. 5. Some mammals live with their family group when they grow up. Others go off and live on their own. 6. When they become adults, male and female mammals meet and mate. Over here it says lions are carnivores. A lion family group is called a pride. A caption, which is describing this picture here, a baby lion is called a cub. Did you see any new text features that we haven't seen on the other pages yet? That's right, this right here is a diagram, which is a text feature. It has labels and captions that are describing the pictures, and it's also showing the life cycle of a lion. These pages also have a heading again, bold print, and captions all over. Okay, here are the last 2 pages I'm going to read to you about meerkats. Meerkats live in large family groups with their kits or babies. Meerkats live in underground homes called burrows. Life cycle facts. Female meerkats start to have babies when they are 1 year old. Females are pregnant for about 75 days. Female meerkats have 3 to 5 kits at a time. Kits stay in the burrow until they are 3 to 4 weeks old. The meerkat's dark eye rings protect its eyes from bright sunlight. Adult meerkats take turns babysitting while the others go out to hunt. Meerkats stand up on their back legs to watch for predators. When kits are about 1 month old, they start to go on hunting trips. Each kit has its own adult that teaches it how to hunt. Did you see any text features on this page? That's right, there are captions, photographs, bold print, and another heading.